Now let's jump straight into Premiere Pro and start creating our tile animation. First, open up the Essential Graphics panel and you'll find this in the Window menu. Go to the Edit tab and press the new item icon. We're going to create a text first, but you can also do this, of course, by pressing Ctrl T. Now type something that you want to animate. I'm going for a cool movie title, which I'll name Revolution, and then we're going to stylize the text. So give it the right font type, font size, color, and of course the position where you want it to be. Now all of this is of course personal preference once you're finished. Go back to the top of the edit menu and select new item again. This time we're going to create a shape. I'm going for the rectangle now. Resize it, so it's just a little bit bigger than your text. Next, I'm going to go to Appearance and select the Mask with Shape checkbox. The rectangle disappeared, and that's actually a good thing. We've actually turned it into a mask. You'll see the blue outline of it if you now head over to the Effect controls and open up the controls of the text. You will see that once we move it around, the text will disappear behind the mask. So let's make an animation. Now we'll place a keyframe in the beginning of our clip and position the text underneath the mask so that the text will be invisible. Then we're going a bit further in time and place the text on its original position. Now you can either drag it there or you can click the reset button next to the position property. Now don't forget to ease the keyframes, of course, and here we go. A simple but modern title animation. Now, of course, you can play around with this. Placing the keyframes closer to each other will make the animation go faster, and placing them further apart will make it go slower. So you have a lot of options with this. I decided to make a second shape and animate the path over time so that it looks like the text appears from behind that shape, which is in this case a line. Now let's do something fun. Make your own title animation in Premiere Pro. Post it on any social media you want